What about the chat apps? Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. If you are engaging people on Facebook Messenger, or really any of the chat apps, don't forget about them. One of the conversations I recently had with a student went something like this. I'll call her Mary, since I know Marjorie won't mind. I don't seem to be having any luck with Messenger, Mary complained. Are you asking people to message you? Yes, she replied, and I'm getting a lot of first responses, but nothing after that. How soon after your first exchange do you message them again? I asked. I don't, she said. I feel like if they want to talk to me, they will message me. Do you only send one email to your email list? I asked her. Of course not, she replied. Then why only one message to your messenger chat? Mary was silent, and then we talked about how to treat those chats. Yes, it's different from email, and people don't want to be bombarded with unwanted chat messages, but you cannot simply walk away and leave them alone once they have reached out to you. You see, these chat apps don't keep you top of mind once you have that initial conversation. And as busy as people are today, you need to get back in front of them if you want to make any progress. They will tell you when it's too much. They may block you, which is fine, or they may simply tell you they are not interested, but you need to message them until they do. Leaving them alone will ensure you never hear from them again, so don't just leave them be. I try to reach out every week or so, but I don't always do this on every chat platform. I do try to limit my chats to Facebook Messenger, but that's not always possible, as marketing on each platform means you will be messaged there. Check them all. Check on a schedule. Don't leave your chat customers just hanging in the wind. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Oh, and reach out to them in chat. Ask if they have any questions. Ask them how their journey is going. If they asked you for information once, they probably still want that information, and it's your job to see that they get it. Until next time, life is good.